Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your profile picture or your avatar in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Updating your avatar lets you personalize your profile and make it stand out in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. First of all, launch open Mobile Legends Bang Bang on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. From the home page or the lobby screen, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. Now from the profile section, tap on your avatar and then click on Change Avatar. From the Avatars tab, select a different avatar you'd like to use or change to. And after you do that, click on the Replace button at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your avatar quickly in your profile in the Mobile Legends Bang Bang game. Now your new avatar should reflect in your profile. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.